let's do a warm-up. Do me a favor and factor these trinomials. Pause the video, come on back, and I'll show you. Okay, so for number one, I'm going to do x box. So AC x squared will be 10x squared up there. Bx is negative 11x, so we want to add to negative 11, and multiply to be 10. So we can do negative 10x and negative x, which is just like a negative 1x. I'm going to make our box. So 2x squared goes right here. Negative 11x gets split into negative 10x and negative x, and then 5 goes there. So now we find our GCFs. So that's 2x, x, negative 5, negative 1. To make sure we're good, I'm going to kind of go backwards. 2x times x is 2x squared. Negative 1 times x is negative x. Negative 1 times negative 5 is 5. 2x times negative 5 is negative 10x. So we did do the GCFs correctly. So then our factored form is 2x minus 1 times x minus 5. For this next one, you have to take out a GCF first. So we can take a 2 out of each term. So we'll get 2 times 5x squared plus 13x minus 6. And if you don't take the GCF out right away, you can still factor. It'll just be harder, and then you'll have to factor out the 2 at the end. So I did Xbox for the first one. I'm going to show guess and check for this one, but you're welcome to do Xbox on all of them, honestly, if you want to. So I know that since 5 is prime, the only two terms that multiply to be 5x squared are 5x and x, whereas like with 4x squared, you could have 2x and 2x or 4x and x, okay? And I know I have to have two numbers that multiply to be negative 6, so that's either going to be 6 and 1 or 3 and 2, and one's negative, one's positive. So I'm kind of just going to guess here. So let's see, negative 3 and positive 2, those multiply to be negative 6. 5x times x is 5x squared minus 15x plus 2x. Well, that's a negative 13x, so we're pretty close. So what if I just switch the signs and make this a positive 3 and a negative 2? Then I have 5x squared plus 15x minus 2x, so that's plus 13x minus 6, so that's right. So our factored form is 2 times 5x minus 2 times x plus 3. Once again, you're totally welcome to just use Xbox if guess and check doesn't work for you.